Broncos going up against Chico State Saturday night in Ontario. Cal Poly Pomona looking for its first ever CCAA championship tournament title. Mohammed Fall gets the offense going early with a long 2-point jumper. It was a team effort, plenty of contributors, 5 Broncos in double figures. Here's Barry Bell picking up a steal and hitting a fast break layup. Same for Duran Scott as Cal Poly Pomona jumps out to a big halftime lead, and Mitchell Anderson continues to light it up from 3-point range. He finished with 15 points, 12 rebounds, 12th career double-double, 5 Broncos, as we mentioned, in double figures. Barry Bell continuing to deliver key plays as the Bronco fans, a huge crowd on hand at Citizens Business Bank Arena, chanting MVP for Mitchell Anderson. He was the tournament MVP, and joining him on the all-tournament team, Mohammed Fall and Terrence Drizzen. Lots of unfinished business for the Broncos, but here's Greg Kamansky after the game.
First one in history.
Now all eyes will be on Sunday's 7:30 p.m. NCAA.com selection show. Let's listen into the Bronco fans to wrap up Saturday night.
Tournament MVP from Cal Poly Pomona, Mitchell Anderson.